Today we are putting together some storage boxes out of just paperboard and tape. You can buy little boxes like this to organize, but why buy regular ones when you can make a crazy sticker box? Step 1. Spend your childhood hoarding and collecting all the best stickers. Someone gave me a starter kit in kindergarten to keep me busy, and you can see I got hooked. I also found I had a lot of Harry Potter stickers. It looks like young me thought an unused Harry Potter band-aid was worthy of being in the collection, so I'm making a Harry Potter themed box as well, without the band-aid. These sticker books have wax paper, so you can stick and reposition them and they are still like new, and it means they are still like new for me to use now, even after all these years. I'm going for that graffiti sticker wall look that you see in rundown bars, though in this case the graffiti is mostly pink and sparkly, like it's been vandalized by a little girl. These Harry Potter ones are pretty cool, a lot of illustrations from the first two books. They don't look anything like the actors and are dressed like the times. There's also several photo versions of the movie cast, but I think we need more stickers with pink outline Dumbledore. A lot of these stickers in the collection I noticed are bright colors and glitter and pink hearts and stars, which I don't know if that was the collector's taste or what was in the market during the 90s and early millennium. Here we are trying to fill in all the white spaces and are definitely overlapping stickers, so if you're trying to do this and you have some precious favorite stickers, save those to stick on at the end so they don't get covered by other stickers. I can definitely see the appeal as an awkward indoor kid of being drawn to accumulating and organizing these glittery and not as common pieces. When they're all done, I'm just sealing it in with some clear tape. There are a lot of layers of stickers and they're sticking pretty well, but I wanted to make sure that none of them flake or later come off. The largest box, no particular theme here. Again, we're just filling in the space with what was left in the collection. There are also a lot of sticker sheets, and I think some of the squares were from teachers who would have rolls and tear off a square if you were good. I made these storage boxes to help me organize some things, but I think they're also a good showcase of the stickers a younger me thought was special enough to save. It looks like a lot of these stickers have been produced by a company called Sandyline Stickers. I don't think they're around anymore, but they definitely had some cool designs. Here are just the finishing touches, covering all the white spaces with these tiny stickers, and on top of that putting in any special ones that had been saved, which in this case are a lot of dinosaurs of the neon and glitter variety. And again, we're sealing it all in with some clear tape, trying to minimize bubbles and wrinkles. Some of these stickers are over 20 years old, so I wanted to make sure that nothing starts to peel or be sticky once it's complete. I add extra to the edges and corners just to help reinforce the box so it can actually hold some weight. Stacked up, the boxes look pretty great. I made one look like a normal storage box until you open it and see the transformation that a book of 90s Spice Girl Lisa Frank and a lot of pink stickers can do. I made a Marvel Star Wars hybrid box because why not? The Harry Potter box, which I am really happy with how it turned out, a lot of variety and some sparkly ones. The big box, there's no particular theme, a lot of chaos, you can't quite make out individual stickers, and there's just so much going on with it, which is excellent.